Okay, hello, good afternoon. Ito po si Marcy ng Focus Language Services. Hello, good afternoon. Ito po si Marcy ng Focus Language Services. So, last time, diniscuss ko po yung tungkol sa dalawang important documents na manggagaling dito sa Japan, which are Certification of Eligibility and Certification of Admission. Okay?
Okay, studying in Japan, it is without a doubt one of the best decisions you can make in your life and has more benefits than you can count. So, if you come to Japan to study the Japanese language and after that continue to study college here and have a degree and have passed the Japanese language proficiency, of course, you have the greater chance for applying for the Gijitsu Jinbun Chishiki Kokusei Gyomo, a technology, humanities, knowledge, international work. So, and for those here, Filipinos here in Japan who are studying the Japanese language here, so please focus on your studies. So, have a greater view for your future. Konting tiyaga lang po, and God bless. In applying for a student visa in Japan, a certificate that shows that you have studied basic Japanese for at least 150 hours or have passed the JLPT N5 is required.
So, tatalakayin ko po dito yung steps on how to apply for a student visa. Bali, 6 steps po. Hindi po 7.
Okay, applying for student visa in Japan. So 6 steps. Number 1, choose or look for a Japanese language school here in Japan. Number 2, understand the application process. Fill up the COE and the other school application documents. Number 3, prepare all the documents needed for the COE, and I'll discuss it in my next video. Number 4, submit all the documents for the application and pay for the application processing fee. Number 5, wait for the result of your certification of eligibility or COE application, for it takes about 2 to 3 months for the immigration to process the papers. So once your COE has been approved, pay the tuition fee and the other fees and get your COE and COA papers. Number 6, go to the nearest Japanese Embassy's accredited agency for your visa application. Submit your complete documents together with your COE and COA. But please don't forget your COE and COA back after your visa has been issued. You will need them upon landing here in Japan. So COA means Certification of Admission. Well, good luck!
So, step number 1 is choosing a school. So, you need to choose a school. So, you can ask your Japanese language school kung saan kayo nag-aaral ngayon sa Philippines. Tapos, or kung may kamag-anak kayo sa Japan, you can ask them. Number 2 is to fill up all the forms necessary for the application for the student visa. So, padadalhan po kayo ng mga forms na para sa pag-apply nyo ng Certificate of Eligibility na manggagaling po sa Japanese language school dito sa Japan. So, fill up niyo po yung form na yon. So, number 3 is prepare all the documents needed for the certification of eligibility. So, next video, i-discuss ko yung sa documents needed for the certification of eligibility dahil mahabang processing po yon. Kaya, i-discuss ko na lang isa-isa doon yung mga important documents. So, ngayon, ito lang muna yung step by step. So, yung number 4, kapag na-fill up nyo na yung form, tapos na-prepare nyo na yung certification of eligibility, mga documents para doon. Number 4 is you need to submit all the papers, mga documents sa school dito po sa Japan, and also pay for the processing fee. Okay? By this time, wag po munang bayaran yung tuition fee. So, yung processing fee lang po muna, which is more or less 8,000 to 10,000 sa pesos. Okay? So, number 5, wait for the result ng certification of eligibility nyo. Pag dumating na po yung result ng certification of eligibility, so, i-inform po kayo ng school. Tapos, that's the time po na doon na kayong magbabayad ng tuition fees sa kanila. So, pag nabayaran nyo na po yung tuition fees, padadala po ng school sa inyo yung dalawang certificates, which are yung Certificate of eligibility, tsaka yung certificate of admission. So, padadala po nila sa inyo yun. Tapos yung number 6, pag natanggap nyo na po yung papers na galing sa Japan, yung dalawang certificate na po nga po yun po ang dadalhin nyo sa pag-apply ng student visa. Okay, punta po kayo sa nearest Japanese Embassy accredited travel agency or accredited agency na nagka-process ng visa. So, dalhin po yung dalawang documents na yon. So, sa ngayon, yan lang po muna at dahil mukhang kakapusin ako sa oras. Okay? So, next video, tatalakayin ko naman po doon yung mga papers, mga documents, kung ano-ano pa itong mga documents. May mga required amount po kasi para ma-approve yung inyong pag-apply. Okay? So, sa ngayon, yan lang po muna. And please subscribe, like, and comment, and share para po malaman din po ng iba. So, tulad po ng sinasabi ko sa inyo, dati po akong student dito. So, I just want to share sa inyo based po sa experience na ginawa ko. So, paano ko ba in-apply yung aking student visa? Okay? So, ayun po at medyo may pagkakaiba sa ngayon. So, talakayin ko rin po kasi 4 years po ako nag-aral dito tapos more than 25 years na po ako rito sa Japan. So, share ko na rin po yung buhay-buhay estudyante, buhay empleyado, buhay nanay, marami pa. Okay, at buhay Pilipino dito sa bansang Hapon. Okay, so please share and please comment below para sa inyong mga katanungan at iba pa. Okay, so thank you and love you all. God bless. Stay safe. Bye-bye.